rain is falling, it's another lonely day, and you're gone, you're oh so far away. I keep your picture in my mind, 'cause I know there'll come a time when you'll be back with me, and you'll stay. I hear you calling in the darkness of the night, and I turn as if to hold you tight. But when I reach to touch your face, there is just an empty space, and I know that only you can make it right. Living on the wild side in a world that's sometimes cruel. People try to tell you if you're in love, you're a fool. But I know you don't believe that. You know they're lying and they're wrong. And your love for me will help me carry on. You're the reason that I live. All I own, I would give just to have you here with me in my arms. Another morning, and I face the day alone. I miss you each moment that you're gone. I keep hearing in my head all the things I should have said to let you know my love is burning strong. If you can hold on till the hard times pass us by, I'll be back to dry the tears you cry. And I swear it won't be long until I'm there. You gotta be strong, and I will hold you in my heart until I die. Living on the wild side in a world that's sometimes cruel. People try to tell you if you're in love, you're a fool. But I know you don't believe that. You know they're lying and they're wrong. And your love for me will help me carry on. You're the reason that I live. All I own, I would give just to have you here with me in my arms. You're the reason that I live. All I own, I would give just to have you here with me in my arms. story of how great a love can be, the sweet love story that is older than the sea, the simple truth about the love she brings to me. Where do I start? With her first hello, she gave a meaning to this empty world of mine. There'd never be another love, another time. She came into my life and made the living fine. She fills my heart. She fills my heart with very special things, with angel songs, with wild imaginings. She fills my soul with so much love that anywhere I go, I'm never lonely with her along. Who could be lonely? I reach for her hand, it's always there. How long does it last? Can love be measured by the hours in a day? I have no answers now, but this much I can say. I know I'll